The 2025 Jeep Grand West. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 for the 2025 Nissan. The 2025 Nissan Rogue Rock.
Near the front entrance of the auto show. Thank you.
The Ford Mustang GTD. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade.
So this is the Touring, as we met.
We're here at the Miami International Auto Show. The Spark Owl, the fastest musically themed Lamborghini Countach. Right-hand drive, Nissan. Would you rather have the Rolls-Royce Cullinan or the Tesla? Would you rather have the Tesla Cybertruck? I believe this is a Fiat Panda. And the classic cult car, the Fiat early 80s BMW 5 Series. Vintage Toyota Land. First generation car, beginning. Okay, I'm gonna show you a bunch of cars and you tell me. BMW X5M. The BMW X7M. If you could only pick one of these to use as a daily drive. The Genesis G90. The Hyundai Santa Fe. The 2025 Hyundai Kona.